Hello everybody. Good morning. My name is Dipuseti. Today the topic of my presentation is all about a Presistance of Vision display or POV display. Now I am gonna talk about my presentation. These are the contents of my presentation. Introduction, components required, block diagram of POV display, circuit diagram of POV display, operation of POV display, advantages, disadvantages, applications and conclusion. Introduction. The persistence of vision or persistence of vision is an interesting human sight phenomena which occurs when visual perception of an object does not cases despite the object changing the position. The human eye cannot process more than 12 or 10 to 12 images per second. When a series of images is more presented in quick succession, it gives that a illusion image are in motion. Components required. These are the components to record my project: Arduino Nano, 5 mm LED, resistor 220 ohms, 8 lipolymer battery, DC motor, battery, PCB and connecting wires. This is the block diagram of my POV display. This is the circuit diagram of POV display. The 9-volt battery is connected to the 7805 ICE, which is regulated output 5-volt DC. It is given to the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano distal pin D2 to D9 are connected to the LEDs. These are the component details of POV display: Arduino Nano, gear motor, LED display, voltage regulator. Operation of POV display: writing the program with the help of a Arduino Nano software using PC or Android. We give to the power supply of a 12-volt 1 ampere is given to the gear motor, which is 600 rpm, and another supply from the battery, which is 3.7 volt lipolymer battery, is given to the Arduino Nano LEDs. Whenever we turn on the power supply, the motor starts rotating with its actual speed. The array of 8 LEDs rotate at high speed, giving your eyes illusion that you are seeing a continuous flying message. It will be send a serial command to write a register on the LED driver chips or LED driver. The LED driver controls the function of a LED array and provide a desired switching of LEDs. LED array, it's an array of LED, will turn on or off according to the message that to be displayed. It displayed the messages in 2D or 3D pattern. Advantages of POV display. The biggest advantages of project in this rotating display board, which is common seen in nowadays. A POV display has many advantages over a traditional CRT, LCD, LED display like power savings, less complexity, easy to configuration, attractiveness. These are the disadvantages of my POV display. Power supply. Power supply to the motor and IC was a bit of problem to us. And the second one is balancing setup. It is a crucial problem to since your setup will be running at high speed, and sometimes IR detection and high speed to call the interrupt at high speed TSOP was not detecting the IRS. Applications: we can use the POV display in advertising, education purpose, entertaining purpose, animation, propeller clock, toys and games, and we also use in 3D display using in malls. Conclusion: this project can be display any images height of any 9 and conclusion. This project can display any image of height at most 9 and width around 90 in the POV display setup. This project is basically showing a 2D figure from 1D of LED array. This project is also has a so much room to explore further exciting developments and additions to the many devices with which it could be interfaced. Using multiple microcontrollers to view a POV display large sizes, rotating 2D array of a setup, cool 3D views can be made which can be viewed from the all directions. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for listening my presentation.